He is known as to be the brain behind the whole revolution. So he denies it repeatedly. He said, not me, many others, but that's how he's recognized, that he's the brain behind the whole thing.
Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus, chief advisor to Bangladesh's interim government, has revealed the mastermind behind the student-led protests that resulted in Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's resignation. Speaking at the Clinton Global Initiative during the United Nations General Assembly, Yunus introduced Mahfouz Alam, crediting him as the brain behind the revolution that toppled the Awami League government. Dubbed the Monsoon Revolution, the movement led to the overthrow of the Awami League government, which had been in power for 16 years. Yunus praised the bravery and determination of the students, highlighting that their unwavering resolve shook the nation, forcing change at the highest levels of government. Mahfouz Alam, a student activist from Dhaka University, was central to the coordination of the protests. Known for his involvement in various social justice movements, including the anti-discrimination students movement, Alam has repeatedly denied being the sole leader, but Yunus insists he was the brain behind the revolution. This is what Yunus said while introducing the pivotal student leaders behind the coup.
They just look like any other young person. You will not recognize them. But when you see them in action, when you hear them speak, you'll be shaking. They shook the whole country by their speeches, by their dedication, their commitment. They said, you can kill us anytime you want, but we are not giving up. And he is known as to be the brain behind the whole revolution.
The student protests began in response to a controversial job quota system seen as favoring specific groups. What started as a demand for fair employment opportunities quickly transformed into a broader movement against corruption and authoritarian governance. A violent crackdown in July left over 300 people dead, fueling widespread outrage and accelerating Hasina's ouster. On August 5th, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina resigned after 16 years in power. Days later, Muhammad Yunus, an esteemed economist and founder of Grameen Bank, was appointed to head Bangladesh's interim government. His leadership has been seen as an effort to unite the nation following the uprising. Yunus and Alam were sharing a stage with Bill Clinton, Aisha Siddiqa Titi, a student of BRAC University, and Zahin Razin, founder of Hydro-Quo Plus, according to Dhaka Tribune. Yunus also emphasized that these young leaders are now shaping the future of Bangladesh, driven by a desire for change. Here is what he said. The end.
They are the one creating the new version of Bangladesh. Let's wish them a success. Thank you very much.